you going? It's Richard from Offroad Touring Life. Today I'm going to show you a cheap DIY mod you can do the back of your wagon that involves a little bit of extra usable space but takes up absolutely no room. So those of you that have been following my channel for a while will know that I have a very basic budget conscious storage setup in the back of the Patrol. Now one of the things that I find most utilised is table space. So I have this drop down door table on the back of the Patrol. So today's little project, I'm looking at extending this table. So just with some things I have at home. So all we're going to need for this job is a couple of these hinges here. I've got a sheet of aluminium there and an old cut down adjustable tent pole. So I've already painted that black before, but I've already prepped most of this already. So what I'll do now, I'll chuck some clamps on there, I'll extend it out, give you a bit more of an idea of exactly what I'm doing. But yeah, this should only take around an hour at home. Nice easy job. It'll actually utilise this space so much more than just having this one little area here. So I'll set that up all now and then I'll give you a bit more of a closer look at what I've done. Okay, so I've got all that set up now. So the way this is going to work is I've got these hinges like I mentioned before. They'll be stuck, I'll have them attached to this table here and this table here. So all I have to do is drop out that pole there. That's going to swing around back on itself and lay flat against the existing table. Now to hold that all in place, I'll be using these bungee cords here. So I've got one here already. And what I'm going to do is drill a hole through this table here. So when this is actually folded back on itself, I can still drop the table down without this falling. So if I want to use it, just a matter of undoing a little wing nut on the bottom there, swing it out and adjust it up there. So it'll just have 2 points of contact in there. So this space here, I can utilise it for many things. So I can even just steer the stove on here, pots and stuff on here, charge camera gear, you know, options are obviously endless. So once I get all this job complete, I'll give you a bit of a walk around and another setup of exactly how it all goes. But this is just where I'm at the moment. Nice and simple, just stuff I had lying around home. Alright, so with the magic of YouTube, where I left you off last time, it was a week ago. So since then I've now got this table all completed and added to the back door here. So a few little things I've included is this T-tail rail on top of the old existing table there. So some of you with a keen eye, you might remember I had a piece of wire just hanging across here previously. That was from a T-tail rail and for, you know, hanging cooking things off, etc. So I've now got that on there. So you would remember I talked about putting a nut and bolt through the table. So you can see this nut and bolt through here. What that's for is when I drop this table down, by quite simply doing this, I can drop that down, and what that does, that retains the new table extension from dropping down. So all I've got to do is just a matter of undoing a nut there and that drops down, or if I don't want to use the table extension, that holds that all in place there. So what I'll do now, I'll just set up this tripod and I will show you exactly how that all works. So what I'll do now, I'm just going to undo this nut from here and I'll give you a quick look. So that just undoes there, that swings out. I'll drop this down here, I'll grab this tent pole here, and then this slides into there. And I've already pre-organised the height, so you can see that keeps it nice and level there. Then I'll grab the stove just to give you a size comparison on how big the little table is. So this stove quite easily fits just in here. So you can just open that up like that. And then there we go. So there's plenty of space there to set it up. Quite versatile. You have a gas bottle down there, and then this existing table over here is quite good. You have your pots and pans and all your food preparation and stuff over there. So just by using that, takes up absolutely no room. So I'm stoked with exactly how this has come out. Probably come out better than what I imagined. So if you have liked what you've seen, be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and if you've got any questions about this top here or this table extension, be sure to pop it down in the comments. And for any of the other behind the scenes stuff, you can always jump across onto our Instagram and also on the Facebook page. But thanks heaps for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Cheers. So the back of these doors on the back of the hang on a sec.